beef ramen for lunch today. I've been busy this morning. I was off yesterday. I had to go to the new house and talk to some of the workers that are there. I'm having to get a new tile shower done last minute. I didn't really realize I was going to have to do that before I moved in, but it turned out I am. But God has blessed me again, because who is going to be available to demo a whole entire tile shower, retile it, and have it ready to go by Christmas? I'll tell you who, God. I always make a mess when I do that. I get them down in there because I'm going to get me some hot water in my coffee pot. Also, Caden had his Christmas party yesterday, so he don't really have to go back. And after Christmas break, he's starting a new school. So I withdrew him yesterday. He went around telling everybody bye. He's excited. He's moving schools. I gave him the option because we're in the same county as the school he's already been going to, but it's just different town. And I was like, you could go to this school, you'll be closer if you want to, and he did. So, but I got a message from the lunch lady as soon as we left yesterday, and she said this is a sad day in this lunchroom. They love Caden. Y'all know he eats like I don't know what. He loves to eat, and he's not picky. So I just know he's made such good friends with those lunchroom ladies, and they love him just as much as he loves them. He's gonna miss everybody there. The water's ready. Gotta let that sit and cook for a minute. A lot of you's asked, aren't you gonna miss being on the lake and having that view? Long story short, no. Some of you's been with me for a long time and you kind of understand that better without me even going into it. There's a lot of history there. So it's gonna be nice to get that fresh start at a fresh place. But even more so, it's going to be so nice to get so much closer to work, so much closer to family, friends, town. I'm out in the sticks. And most importantly, to downsize. Now that I'm divorced and now that one of my girls is married, and it probably won't be too much longer for the other one is. But it's just going to be me and Caden. We do not need such a large house. So I want to downsize. And I want to get closer to everybody and everything. So yeah, it's nice to be on the lake, but we're gonna have a swimming pool at the new house. Are y'all ready for Christmas? Can't believe I'm saying that already. I'm so hungry. I wish this would hurry up. Are y'all proud of me because I said ramen at the beginning of this video? I did that on purpose. I've always called it ramen noodles. And Caden gets on to me. He said, it's ramen. It'll always be ramen noodles to me. Let's peek. Hold on. I need to... The little tops of them hadn't been submerged, so I'm going to flip them over. I think we're ready now. I'm so excited. Tonight I'm going to meet up with my girlfriends and have supper at Longhorn. We're going to exchange a little gift. Yesterday, me and Caden went to Buffalo Wild Wings, but up until then, I couldn't tell you how long it had been since I went out to eat even. I've just been working and going home, minding my own business. It's been nice. Honestly, since I did that fast back in September, I fasted my social calendar, and I stopped doing anything and everything and canceled everything that I had on my books. I really haven't started back filling up that calendar. I feel like that was the Lord's way of showing me you don't have to stay so busy, and I'm loving it. I've been running my mouth for a long time. I won't keep y'all too long. Let's see if this tastes any good first before I hang up. It does, but I need salt. I hope you've all had a good Thursday and a good lunch. I love you. Stay classy.